Now we'll move to the next one. Now, what is leadership? Peter Drucker, he is supposed to be the father of management, and he defines the only definition of leader is someone who has followers. Is that right? Anyone can have a follower for all wrong reasons, and that doesn't make him a leader. That's my opinion. Second, he's again a very authoritative person on leadership, Warren Bennis. He says leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Is that right? I don't think so, because everyone has a vision, and that vision can be translated into reality. I have a vision that I should have a vegetable garden, and I can transform my vision into reality by planting few plants, but that doesn't make me a leader. It's because the definition should be very universal, and it should be very accurate, and it should be practical and applicable in all situations. Second, Bill Gates needs no introduction. As we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others. Is that right? We empower everyone. We empower our domestic helpers. We empower our children. We empower in the organization, in our team, our subordinates. Does that make us leader? Now, in the earlier introduction, I was talking about John C. Maxwell, and he's the person, he has written so many books on leadership. If you have time, you can refer it. And he says leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. And again, that's not true. Leadership is influence, but that is not true, that just the influence will make you a leader. And that is a definition of leadership, because everyone is able to influence someone at some point, but that doesn't make him a leader. Now, what is there in Oxford Dictionary? The Oxford Dictionary says the action of leading a group of people or organization, or the ability to do this. Here, the important point, the important word over here is lead. Is important. The most relevant point is be in charge or command of, organize and direct, set a process in motion, be a reason or motive for others to act, change, and that is precisely what leadership is. It is not one definition that is appropriate to define leadership. In reality, leadership is combination of everything. Leadership, in my opinion, it actually combines Peter Drucker's view, it combines Warren Bennis' view, it combines Bill Gates' view, it combines John Maxwell views, and in collection, in totality, it defines leadership. No one definition can be used to actually define leadership. Now, leadership is a process of creating social influence which maximizes the efforts of others towards the achievement of goal, and that is a leader, and that is a leadership. And whoever is able to maximize someone's effort to achieve a goal and is able to create that influence is a leader. And